So here's a topic that's near and dear to my heart, having spent most of my career in finance and accounting for some fairly large and well-known brands, and that is the value of churn. So let's first talk about what that means, and that is that churn is addressed as the percentage of customers that leave you over a year's time. So usually it's an annualized number. So in this case, in looking at this particular model, if you have 1,000 customers and you lose approximately 13% on an annualized basis, with an average revenue for each customer being about $500 per month per customer, then that would translate to, give or take, about $3,900 lifetime value. So if you were able to improve that churn rate by only 10%, dropping it from 13% down to 11.7, then that means that your lifetime value of those customers would climb to about $4,300. Now, what does that mean to you in terms of net profit? Here's the kicker. The vast majority of the expenses that you might incur for each and every customer is not particularly high, especially in a SaaS model. So what you're looking at here, therefore, is that most of that additional revenue is going to flow straight to the bottom line. Thereby, in this particular case, it actually illustrates that you'll about double your profit margin. The other part that's actually more intriguing is that you don't have to replace those customers that you lost. Because remember, for each customer that you acquire, there is a customer acquisition cost that's associated with each one. This model does not address that additional cost of acquisition in the model, so therefore, and here's the kicker, is that each value, or the value of each customer that you lose is actually significantly larger because you have to factor in the replacement cost to acquire the next one to regain that revenue that you lost. So even though we're showing a 108% increase in your profit margin, believe it or not, the actual impact on your profits is significantly larger than what we're accounting for in this particular model.